Hello friends, welcome to my cooking channel. Some of our friends asked for some dessert recipes. So on the basis of that, I am going to make choco lava cake, which is loved by elders as well as the children. So please come to my kitchen to see the recipe, how we are making it. So first is I'll tell you the ingredients and then I'll tell you how much measurement I took for making choco lava cake. One is maida, sugar, baking soda, baking powder and cocoa powder, cooking oil and 1 teaspoon of vinegar and some cooking chocolates. This will be available online. So these are the slabs we are going to insert in the cake. And apart from that, we need 1 teacup of warm milk in room temperature. So the measurement is, I took 1 teacup of maida and for that I took nearly 1.5 cup of powdered sugar. And baking powder is 1 full teaspoon and this cocoa powder I took 2 tablespoons and half a teaspoon baking soda, which we will use it for cooking, and 4 tablespoons of cooking oil and some chocolate pieces and 1 teaspoon of vinegar and 1 cup of warm milk at room temperature. So now I am going to mix each and everything one by one. I will show you how to make it. So you need 1 bowl and a whisk. So first one is, I am going to take the flour, that is all purpose flour, maida. So I am going to put that in the bowl. In that I am going to add the powdered sugar. And then I am going to add the cocoa powder. Then baking powder 1 teaspoon and cooking soda half a teaspoon. So you mix everything well. If you do it in the whisk, it will mix everything evenly. So you do it without any lumps, you mix it. After mixing it, I am going to add the milk. So you can see now there is no lumps and the powder, everything is mixed evenly. Now I am going to add the milk in this. So put that 1 cup of milk and whisk it so that no lumps will be there. So you mix like this. So the consistency is like this. So this is the right consistency. Once you mix this, now you have to mix the oil. So 4 tablespoons of oil I took, that is the cooking oil. I am going to pour in this. Now mix that also along with the other batter. So now the batter is ready. Before pouring into the cups, you have to add that vinegar. Why you are adding vinegar is that it will leave the cake from the mold. So I am adding 1 teaspoon of vinegar in that. That's all. Now this is ready. Now you have to pour it in the cake mold. So this is the right consistency for making choco lava cake. So the cake batter is ready and these are the molds I am using for making choco lava cakes. In this molds, I applied oil in that. After that I will pour the batter into that mold. So take out the whisk. So now I am going to pour this batter in the molds. So you pour 1.5 cups, 1.5 ladle of batter in each cup. Now I'm going to add the chocolate pieces. So I'm going to put one chocolate piece in on the top, at the center, in each cup. So that's all. Now I'm going to pour little more batter on the chocolate so that it will cover the chocolate. So like this, just to cover the chocolate. So now the batter is ready for baking, and I'm going to preheat my oven, and then I'm going to put this molds in the oven, and it will bake for 1.5 minutes. So after that we will see, and one instruction is that please don't open the microwave in between, because once if you open the door and see it, then the cakes won't blow up, it will go down. So don't do that. So friends, now the yummy and tasty chocolava cake is ready. So it's hot. I'm not able to put my spoon in that, and the entire room is filled with this chocolava aroma. And try out with your friends and enjoy the day. Bye.